When the eagles are silent, the parrots begin to jabber. Winston Churchill. To a teacher of languages, there comes a time when the world is but a place of many words, and man appears a mere talking animal, not much more wonderful than a parrot. Joseph Conrad. Living life in a burst of color and positivity, all thanks to my vibrant and vivacious parrot. That parrot's non-cooperation with the cage with its master will live forever because it looks upon renunciation, non-cooperation, as a joy. Mahatma Gandhi. People talk too much. Humans aren't descended from monkeys, they come from parrots. Carlos Ruiz Zafón. What are we promoting in society? Well-behaved automatons that spew back what they learned in a book. That's not science. You can get a parrot to do that. Neil deGrasse Tyson. I'm a big fan of parrots. I think they're fascinating creatures. Many of them live for longer than us humans. And it's interesting to me the way they learn to mimic human voices, even though they don't really comprehend what they're saying. Derren Brown. A parrot's perspective. Life is meant to be lived colorfully and fearlessly. To my mind, there is nothing better than hanging out with a petite, feathery sidekick all day long. Love and feathers. Shannon Cutts. I wanted to get a tape recorder, but I got a parrot instead. I think I did that joke backwards. Mitch Hedberg.